Today, I want to share a full episode. I've heard so many ways that people try to boost their metabolism. Drink green tea to boost your metabolism. Spicy food. Burn calories are quite a bit. We'll see if you'll start lifting weights today and lose weight easily. It's all based on one idea, that there are hacks that claim to rev up your metabolism. Crank up how many calories you burn, and the promise is weight loss. But people, that's not how metabolism works. I'm Dr. Jen Gunter, and from the TED Audio Collective, this is Body Stuff. I want you to forget everything you think you know about your metabolism. It's a complicated system, like really complicated. So, today, we're going to talk about what we know about it, what we don't know about it, and the one thing that's nearly guaranteed to change your metabolism. Hi everyone, it's Shoshana here. So I have a favor to ask you. I love making this show and I want to know how I can make it even better. So if you have a couple minutes, share your thoughts with us and help make TED Health better for you. Head on over to surveynerds.com TED. That's surveynerds.com TED, and thanks for listening. Hi, I'm Young Mi Moon. I'm here. They sign, and I'm Felix Overholtz his G, and together we host After Hours, a podcast from the TED Audio Collective. We're friends and colleagues at Harvard, and on the show we discussed news at the crossroads of business, society and culture. Join us each week as we catch up after work and see what's trending. Share our thoughts and disagree with each other. Sometimes a lot. Apple losing its mojo. What's behind the industry? Behind the chip shortages? We're all struggling. But who's winning the streaming horse? And should you fear inflation? So, check out After Hours wherever you listen to podcasts. I follow Dr. Kevin Hall on her. I love following experts who can summarize really complex stuff up into very digestible bites. Pardon the pun. Well, I do my best. He's a researcher at the National Institutes of Diabetes, Digestive and Kidney Diseases, which is part of the National Institutes of Health, and he's an expert in metabolism. Metabolism is the complex sequence of chemical reactions inside every cell of our body. This is the flow of energy and matter to basically create all that we are and all that we do. So metabolism is every chemical reaction, every heartbeat that we beat, every flutter of her eyelashes is all driven by metabolism and energy. And not only that, but our heart and our eyelashes are also made of the substances that we derive from the food that we eat. We can't do without metabolism for 1 second of our life. There are 3 fuels in the food that we eat: carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Our metabolism has different chemical steps. For each one, their results are that metabolic chemistry is energy to power you and nutrients that are used to build and maintain your body. The energy part of this equation is what seems to interest most people, especially those who are selling your products to hack the system. While some types of foods create more energy than others, the energy they create is almost measured in calories. And to your body, a calorie is a calorie is a calorie. It doesn't matter what kind of food was broken down to make it. There are many techniques for measuring metabolism. Dr. Hall might use specialized equipment, kind of like scuba gear, to measure how much oxygen a person is breathing in and how much carbon dioxide the breathing out, which lets researchers calculate the metabolic rate down to the cal when they studies drive Hall his colleagues and find a group of people to spend some time at the hotel. NIH. I'm obsessed with these NIH studies. Fantastically cool idea to study what goes into someone's body and what comes out, all in a closed environment. So everything can be tracked. I imagine a 1970s, the motel government budgets and all in picturesque Bethesda, Maryland. I check into my suite, really a small room, right? Stan, The next few weeks, sampling a curated